So this is an unboxing for a Muzzies Crokinole board. It's a company in Canada that makes made-to-order Crokinole boards. You order it on the website and they have a lead time. Right now his lead time's a little bit smaller than usual. It's about 2 weeks for his lead time. I've heard his lead time, depending on how busy he gets, it can be a few weeks. So, they are made to order. They're in Nova Scotia, Canada, as I said. I happen to live in Nova Scotia, in the capital city. I'm about an hour and a half away from these guys. Now, because of the current pandemic and the stay-at-home order that's in place, I chose to have it shipped to me because I can't really leave my community to drive an hour and a half to go down and get it. But I would have, if it would have been any other times, it would have been great to be able to see where these come from, and maybe someday I'll order a second one and go down and pick it up when the pandemic is calmed down more or over. So I did happen to open it right before I went to work. Just took a quick peek at what it looked like, because I was curious to just see the color. But literally the package came and I had 15 minutes. I was going to leave to work, so I literally just quickly unpacked it and just took a quick look at the board, and that was it. So we're gonna open it up. So first things first, we have this carry case. I ordered this extra. I believe it was $95. Great place to store it. The reason I ordered it is because all the Muzzies board come with a way to wall mount it. In my current games room, I'm not sure if I'll be able to wall mount it. I have a couple of defective game boards that I've hung up as art in the room. They're going down the stairs. I may be able to. I have an old sideboard that's damaged on one side that I may be able to remove, and this may be able to take the place of it. Just gotta find out where the stud is. If that's the case, I'll be able to put it up on the wall. If not, then I'll have to wait until someday I get a new home, which could happen in the next year or so when I buy a house. But this is the carry case. Nice, padded in here. Padded in here. So you can store your board in there. A nice little pocket here to put your discs. Folds over. A nice little carry strap. So it's shaped like a board. It's a nice carry case there. Okay, so this here. And this is the Muzzies board. Now this is two-tone cherry. They have multiple different colors that you can order on the site. They have pre-made colors. Now I went with custom, which is about $40 Canadian more to go with a custom option. And in the customs option, you can pick what you want for the play surface and what you want for the ditch and what you want for the rail color. There was pictures of examples of custom orders that he had done, and I actually loved the two-tone cherry that was shown on the site. That another customer had done, so I decided to go with two-tone cherry. So this is the rule book that comes in the game. This is right here, the rule book, Muzzies, just rules on Crokinole, which I'm going to need because I haven't played much Crokinole. I played a little bit about a year and a half ago, but need to brush up on the rules. So there's your Muzzies rule book. This is the instructions on how to hang it with the French cleat. It shows you here how to do the hanging right there. This is the French cleat right here. So the idea is that the board, there's an indent in the inside on the back of the board. I'll show you. I haven't seen the back of the board yet. I've only ever seen this part right here. And it hangs on this. This goes in the wall into a stud. So we'll move it over here. And here is the board. Beautiful board. Just look at that nice two-tone cherry on that. So, I'm going to pick it up, see the back side of it. So you can see here, I guess this is the first time I've seen this. This is kind of cool. He hand signs it. So that's Murray Sculling, I think is his last name. He hand signs it, showing that it was made in April of 2021, and there's a website. As you can see, that little indent there, that is the cleat, the French cleat. So the idea is that this sits in here and holds onto that while it's hanging up on the wall. Probably goes this way. Holds onto the board. It's a nice feet here to sit on the board. And that's your Muzzies board. These things here. And then to the back of the discs. Now generally the discs in Muzzies board and in most boards that you order through makers online come with, the discs are black and the discs are natural color, so this color. I wanted something different. I wanted something to stand out, so I went with red. I went with blue. These are beautiful discs. They are, not sure the wood that they're made of, but they're nice discs. So obviously there's things with concave, or well, not further side. So one will spin. See how that spins? Spins quite a bit. And then if you flip it over, the opposite side doesn't spin that much. Just doesn't spin that much. So again, spin, doesn't spin. And then do a quick little flick here. It's a nice way that goes in. I like it. Maybe I'll get my daughter out here to do a couple flicks for us. Here, Julie, you want to come flick some?
Yeah.
Here. I'd already mention, here's the screws that come in there.
I'm going to go here
For the French
I
squeeze.
make a video.
Alright. I'm gonna flick a couple of those. There you go. There you go. Here, flick that one. Wow, you got a pretty strong flick. Flick it again. There you go. That is a Muzzies board, two-tone cherry.
I can try to flip it with my thumb.
Yeah, go ahead. Give it a try.